In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stunning YouTube thumbnails using Kapwing. This guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring your thumbnails are eye-catching and professional, enhancing your video's chance of being noticed. To get started, open your web browser and head over to kapwing.com. Kapwing is a versatile online tool perfect for creating content quickly and efficiently. If you don't already have an account, you can sign in using your Google account, which simplifies the login process while keeping everything secure. Once you've logged in, choose the account you wish to use. After confirming your access, you'll find yourself on your Kapwing dashboard where you can see your existing projects. If you already have a project in mind, go ahead and click on it. If you're starting new, simply begin by uploading the image you'd like to turn into a thumbnail. This could be a still from your video or any high-quality image that represents your content well. After your image is uploaded, it's time to add some text, as this is crucial for communicating the video's essence at a glance. Click on the text option to begin. You'll be presented with a variety of text options, allowing you to select a style that aligns with your brand or the tone of your video. After exploring the styles, choose one that resonates with your vision. Now it's time to type in your caption or title. This copy needs to be concise yet impactful, highlighting the key message or hook of your video. Think about what will grab your viewer's attention immediately. Enter your text into the chosen style and consider using contrasting, bold colors to make sure it stands out against the background. Once your text is in place, you'll want to fine-tune its appearance. Adjust and resize the text as necessary to ensure it's legible. Placement is key. The text shouldn't obscure important parts of your image, but should be a focal point that draws viewers in. Go ahead and resize or reposition your text until it perfectly complements your image's composition. With your text set, focus on the overall size of your project. Click on Resize Project to adjust its dimensions to standard YouTube thumbnail size, which is 16:9. Opting for YouTube thumbnail, 16:9, ensures your image will fit perfectly when uploaded, avoiding any cutoff or stretching. After resizing, review your thumbnail one last time to ensure everything looks balanced and captivating. Finally, with everything in place, you're ready to export your image. Simply save the thumbnail and you're all set to upload it as part of your video on YouTube. A well-crafted thumbnail can significantly improve click-through rates, so take pride in a job well done. Thanks for following along, and I hope your new thumbnails help your videos shine.